Hey guys, today we're trying something new. Stick with me. I'm trying this new vocal layover style in the meanwhile, so maybe you guys will like this better than just staring at a painting with some music. I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below because I have no clue what you guys like. I just assume what I see from analytics, but analytics ain't everything. I want your guys' opinion, your guys' voice, and let me just know what you think about everything. So now let's start with a base of purple. Keep some for pouring around the next pour. Now what I like to do actually, and I don't do this often because most of the time I just forget about it, I just like to pick a little bit of paint and already put it on the corners. Now I already like this base color a lot. Now let's put on these extra colors I got right here on the side. And I really hope I don't mess up like I did last time. I thought about my colors and the color layering a bit more today. Let's just start right here. Now, right now, some turquoise. Now, I really like the combination I already have going on. And since I'm a pretty much big fan of gold, let's use a lot of gold, right? You guys know me, there's no turquoise without pink. Big fan of pink, I don't know why. It just grew on me. Especially the virtual worlds where I'm gaming. If I can use the color pink, I will use the color pink. Perfect. Perfect. And now to finish it up, a teeny tiny crisscross of white. So for the next segment we just pour a little bit of purple of the base color around. Okay, wow. I'm already loving this deep contrast in here. You see the gold shining through just a little bit. Because the gold and the silver paint is thicker, it doesn't pop up as much, but I really like it how it is right now. Shall I touch it again? I don't know, that's always the danger about it. Wow, these colors really come up now. Now let's take a small step back. I'm going to give it one step more with the blow dryer. I'm really afraid to do this, but let's just do it. Okay, so after looking at it for a while, I really realized, I really think I don't like this section. This part just doesn't speak to me, it's too muddy. So I'm going to scrape it off and hope for the best that I have enough paint to just cover it back up. Okay, so now this part is gone. I will refill it again, but guys, I really don't recommend you scraping off the things you created. Okay, so I went completely against my rules of blowing at most 3 times, but for the best, because I like it much more right now. Now let's give the last blowtorch and I'll give you some close-ups. Let's go.